Hey, hello again. So today we're going to be using the Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Tire Shine. It says long lasting and high gloss, water resistant of durability. You can get two different shines from this. You have the high shine and the medium shine. High shine, you spray it on, leave it on, and it levels on its own. Medium shine, you spray it onto the tires and spread it with an application pad or towel to remove overspray. And then you still have to remove overspray from the rims, but you know, so it says shake well and spray. So we're gonna do just that. Oh man, it smells like pina coladas. So if you like that smell, you'll love this. All right, so we got it on there. It's gonna do its thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off, and we'll be back when it levels out. Product is still self-leveling. It's been quite a while. I've already put a coat of wax on my car and took it off and everything. I think I may have sprayed too much, but I guess we'll see how this does as far as slinging goes once it's fully leveled. I'm not going anywhere until Monday, so we'll see how this holds up. So far so good though. I got the rest of the tires done. Pro tip, hence why the rims look glossier now than before. So I had to polish my rims anyway. So before I put the coating on the tires, I put polish all over my rims and then sprayed the tires and then went back and wiped them off. That way it will make it easier for you and you make sure you get everything and all the overspray and all that stuff, and you won't have any of those ridiculous streaks that you get from wiping this off the rims, especially if you have clear coated rims. Anyway, thank you for watching. If I can get a good photo, I will attach it to the end of this video. Thank you.